Hi guys, welcome to Code Wild, and again we are back with another video. This video is basically for the every coders because this covers 10 pattern recognition that every coders must know. It's basically a pattern that you have to observe and through which most of the questions you can solve, and you can go ahead and you can boost your confidence. And let me say you one thing. See, in this time and in this generation, this is the present time, there is something like the adoption of the new problem. There is no invention of new problem. Every problem is some or the other derived from the other approaches. So it's very important to observe some patterns that will make sure that you solve the problem in the right direction. It's sort of like dynamic programming. Why I'm saying it's a dynamic program? Because you have to figure out the sub problem first. If you are if you're okay to go with the sub-problem solvation, then it's easy for you to figure out the bigger problem, right? So let us start the video. So basically, let us go with the tough pattern itself first of all. See, wherever you find a tree or graph, there is only two options you have to get. That is DFS or BFS. That's it. Don't think of any other approaches. Just go with DFS or BFS. You might argue with me for graph. You can say like, if they're asking the shortest path, like why are we not good to go with the Prim's algorithm and Diksha's algorithm and all that stuff. What I'm saying is, see, if you know DFS and BFS, there is no need to learn it because most of the problem, 90, why I'm saying 95% of the problem you can just solve using DFS and BFS. There is nothing else to learn because the algorithm which you're using, Prims and the Dikshas, it's sort of a approach. I mean, it's sort of a BFS and DFS approach itself. They're using it, right? So, I mean, like, there is no need to learn those algorithms. If you're good with DFS and BFS, that's more than enough. Okay, so let's go to the next one. For now, let's go with the linked list. See, wherever you find linked list, only one option you have to get. That is 2 pointers. Always go with the first approach of solving using 2 pointers because most of the linked list question you can easily solve using 2 pointers. That's a guarantee. So whenever you see linked list, just go with 2 pointers approach, right? And third one, whenever, whenever, why am I saying whenever they ask you like return all subsets, sorry, all subsets or combination or permutations and all, just go with backtracking. Most of the time you just solve this type of problem using backtracking or DFS, backtracking or DFS, right? This approach should come to your mind first, right? And fourth one, whenever they ask you like yeah, let's say they're asking you, they're giving you sorted array or vector, there should be only two options, that is binary search. Binary search should always see the most probability. When they give you a sorted array vector, you have to go for the first guess that can I solve this using binary search, because most of the time they they want you to use binary search, so only they'll give you the sorted array or the vector. So just try for binary search or also using 2 pointers. Very important. right? Okay, so next. So now if they are giving like if they are giving find like find the K items, I mean top K items or least K items and all these stuff, just go with heap. Most of the time they'll ask, I mean heap questions will be on basis of these only, like find the top K items or least K items, or you can also use stack in this case. Stack, right? Stack. Cool. Now, if they're asking like find, this is very important, like find maximum or minimum subarray, subsets, or subarray, this stuff, just go blindly with deep dynamic programming, right? Just go blindly with dynamic programming, because most of the dynamic program questions will be like maximum, minimum, subsets, or options, all those stuff, right? Like that's an option. So next one, if they're just asking you to go with like, if they're asking to find the common digit or common strings, all this stuff, just go blindly with math, or sometimes also try. See, I don't recommend to you to learn try now itself, because try, you only see try approaches in most of the hard problems. So it's not mandatory to learn try, but yeah, no, it's better to know the concept. But yeah, most of the questions will be solved using math itself. Yeah, so next, so 8 point is if they are just asking you to find the subset or the sub array of size k, then it's so obvious to use sliding window. Always think of using sliding window in this case. This is the most probable case. If they're giving this, like find the maximum or minimum subarray maxi or minimum subarray of size k, then always go with sliding window. Next one, if they're given to find the detect the cycle or find the palindromic and all, like for example mainly for detecting cycles, maybe in linked list, in graphs, or all the stuff, always go with slow and fast pointers. This is more useful, right? Just go with slow or fast pointers. Now the last one, whenever you find to find some problem and you have to optimize it, if, for example you are using a sort optimization, instead of using a built-in function, you can just go with sets, or you can go with multiset, because in set you get a unique value, right? I mean it will be in the form of unique value. So multiset, or uh, other one is the this one, priority queue, right? So yeah, these are some of the 10 pattern recognition which is very important for you to know. I hope you got some concept or idea. And yeah, do let me know if you need a detailed video on all this stuff, me explaining about it, and with an example solving it for better understanding. Do let me know in the comment section. I hope you liked this video. There are a lot of this stuff like pattern recognition. Even if I get anything new other than this, I will inform you surely. I'll make a separate video on it too. Till then, I guess you have liked the video. You like the content, do like the video and do subscribe to the channel because many more contents are going to drop from this channel. Yeah, till then keep coding and yeah, bye.